Hello, Big Back. So today I'm just gonna play Animal Hospital. I'm new to this game, but I'm just gonna play solo. Oh. Alright, so I want to check in. So page inspect. Look okay. Alright, here's your Thatch Topu Heart. Why is your name like that? Topu and a heart. That's a weird name. I'll be in group 1, okay. Your health isn't. Oh, your health is important to us. Stay healthy, stay safe. Hey, hello, let me take your DNA. Ouch. Analyzing, I'm just gonna leave it here. Oh, another customer. Wait, let me. In the world? Oh, it's familiar. You okay, bruh? You look okay, but what happened to your eyes? Lucipedia. Huh? I'll be in room 2. Okie dokie. So, yeah, stomach ache. I know what's it. Herbs. This is what I knew. Okay, let me take your DNA. Hey, hello, are you okay? Great. Dried ice, eye drops, You okay now? So you're recovering slowly. Okay, where's the other? Oh, doctor's arriving. He's Dr. Harlow. Okie dokie. If things get strange, just keep working. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. My hospital performance is excellent. Okay, the best here. Okay. Hey. I have an appointment. What's your name, by the way? Let me double check. Hey, let me. Okay, you look okay. Front badge. Oh. Kaito. Kaito. Okay. I will be in room 4. Okay. Hey. Oh, did you poop in there? Oh, that's slime. Oh, shutters off. Shutters off. Bye. Okay, let me go to room 4. Okay. DNA sample. Analyze sample. I will come back, okay? Ah! What the that scared me. Tae. You look okay. Just gotta drink my coffee. Extra coffee. Okay, here's your badge. Use milk. Thanks, I will be in room 2. Okie dokie. Fever and low sugar. Turbo and maple. Math syrup. Hey, I'm so laggy. Here. Okay, you're healed. Okay, DNA sample. I'll come back. I'll come back, boy. Wait, let me. Okay. You look fine. Alright. What's your name? Ricky Seal. Okay. What? How's he a visitor? How's he a visitor, bruh? Ouch. I'll come back by. I'll come back by. Okay. Let me just close this. Nice. You have low sugar and bruises. You need maple and medkit. Here. What? Oh, maple. Hello. Oh, you have fever and low sugar. Thermal and maple. Oh yeah. The doctor's arriving. All right. Hi, Dr. Harlow. Oh, I'm opening new illicit supplies shop will open for a limited time in each ship. I'm not saying a swear word, okay? Epic. Yeah. Oh yes. Run fast. Oh. What the? Leave! Leave, bruh. Let me just get some coffee. Okay, you look. Okay, you're fine. What happened to this camera here? Okay, here's your badge. You got roommate. Okay. Okay. Hurry up! Let me just check if there's any patients. Oh, there's another patient. Okay, you look fine. Print badge. Register. Tofu Clouds? What? What in the world is that name? How's it still on? Is it still here? Oh. You got phone. What in the world is that? What's that thing? What's that? Am I imagining things? Let me just avoid this. Why is there a monster here? Why is there even a monster in this? Bruh. Where are you bleeding? Are you bleeding from your back? Bandages, IV drops, and eye drops. What happens if I give this monster a maple syrup? Maple syrup? Oh. Good ending. Why is there a monster here? Who is this? What the? Yo, 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 yo. What the? I got scared. You got IV drops. Okay. Here. Bandages. Where's the bandage? Oh. Organs. Okay. Surgery medkit. Yes. Yes. What the? Let me close this. You were supposed to go to the dentist, bruh. Alright. You look okay. Hey, it's a muggle. What's that? Muggle hopper. You look okay. Here. Okay, you're gonna be in room 2. There are stories about this. Rock you! Oh, question mark, question mark, question mark. Why is there Raphael here? You hear things, you see things. Okay. Okay. Rat. Oh, dangerous job. Why is Raphael here? Okay, that's okay. Question mark, question mark, question mark. You're gonna be in room 4. Room 4, okay? Let me just heal this guy first. Here. Yeah, you don't have a name. You're not Ratu. Are you a clone? Are you the clone? Are you the fake one, huh? Stomach ache, herbs. Okay, here's some herbs. Eat these plants. Alright. Alright, Mr. No Names. What is the Rocky? Oh. Headache, low sugar. You need medicine and maple. Medicine and maple. Alright, Mr. No Names. Wait. Your eyes. Your eyes are different. Wait. What? Why is your eyes like that? Guys, should I close the shutters or no? I should just reject. I would just reject. Different eyes, then I'm gonna close the door. Alright, coffee time. Oh, what is this standing position? Bruh. Ignore the 6-7. Okay, I hope this is not an anomaly. I hope this is not an anomaly. I guess. Okay. Your standing position is okay. Let me double check everything. Okay, you look fine. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna close this. Let me just drink my coffee. I kind of like this game. 2 cameras down. Okay. You look okay. Let me double check everything again. Since when do you got a tail? Not gonna lie, I kinda like this game. Alright. You're gonna be in room 4, okay? Alright. Hurry up, beach. Okay, no patience. Oh, it's tail. Fluke. Okay, you need some medicine, apple, and ointment. Cough syrup. Here. And for ointment. Here's some ointment. Okay, the doctor's arriving. Let me get some coffee. Alright. Some patients may seem unstable. Make sure to use the photo and cameras. Oh yeah, baby! Thanks for the taser. Hey, you're in the video. Oh my god. Break time. Okay. You look okay. Time to print badge. Let me double check. Okay. When will the real Ratty you come, bruh? Oh. Ooh. Oh my god. Let me buy this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Oh. Yes. I gotta look up. Or will I? Let me get some eye drops. Ow. I can't reach. Alright. Okay. Alright, you need some bandages, IV drops, and thermo. Okay, the IV drops. Here. Time for thermos. And also the bandages. Oh yeah. Oh, there's the real Ratio. Hi Ratio. Alright. What is this white thing? Wait. What is this? You see that white thing or no? What's this? Ratu, I'm Ryan, he's Ratu. Ratu. You know he's my favorite patient. Okay. You look okay. Alright. Time for coffee. Okay. Tofu Lin. Okay, you're gonna be in room 7. Alright. Ratty, you're gonna be okay. You're even at the same room. Okay. IV drops. Okay. Don't die. What? What? I'm gonna making a video. Alright, mama. Scissors, don't die. Don't die, my boy. Don't you dare die. I don't want you to die. Oh, bandages. Oh, shit. Alright, don't die. Yes! Oh, yeah, baby, I'm glad that he didn't die. Okay, there's slime. Who pooped in there? Oh. Okay. Look okay. Okay, you got room 4. Alright. Go to sleep. How can I use this? Setup. Oh my god. Alright. Oh my gosh, so fit. Oh. Yeah. I can do this. Oh yes. Let's go. Okay. Action needed. Okay. Got food. Okay, you need some. Wait. What? Okay. Cough syrup. Alright. Alright. You look fine. You're gonna be in room 2. It's here again. Where are they everywhere, bruh? Bruh, 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 bruh. Bruh, 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 bruh. Let me heal my patience. Oh, finally. Well, I'm just gonna end the video later, so. Alright. You got fever, thermal. Yes, I know, I know. Where is it? Oh. Ow. Ah. I ain't gonna look up. Okay, you got low sugar, so you want maple. You want maple, okay, okay. Okay, you're okay. Okay. Alright. Alright. Ah, yes. Not again. You got to be kidding me. Why is there a fire started in room 8, bruh? You got to be kidding me. Now I have to go get the... Oh my god. I have to save Ratu. Oh, there's no Ratu, I forgot. The music, rock your body, rock your body. Come on, come on, rock your body, rock your body. Guys, I'm just gonna end the video, so bye!